Well, hello there my fine gardening friends, how the devil are you? Welcome to a nice quiet mid-April evening. Been raining, we had thunderstorms and everything this morning, but it's been improving all day, so a nice evening. A bit of a blue sky out there, but I'm out in the what's going to be the Contemplation garden. Around the back of my greenhouse, as you can see there, and my orchard is over that side. So I've been creating this garden over the last few weeks. I've made quite a bit of progress actually. Got the stones down, as you can see, and put some earth down. We'll come to that in a minute though. Those of you who have not seen it before, the Contemplation garden is going to be a garden without any flowers. So really just nice and quiet, but talking about all the different shapes of leaves, colours of leaves, etc. Rather than having the flowers be the show, the stars, let's have the leaves and the plants themselves being the stars. And it, you know, I'm going to have a nice, as you can see in the map, obviously got this path with beds either side, not a straight path, so that basically when all the plants grow, you'll come to the sort of this front bit here, and you won't be able to see possibly the back end, so you'll want to walk into the garden. So that's one of the points of the sort of, you know, the wavy path. And at the back there I'm going to have a covered seat like this one here, which is sort of facing out into the orchard, and then this seat will face down the path, and there's going to be a pond where that wheelbarrow is, a sort of raised pond, I think, possibly, hopefully, maybe. That's going to be there, and you'll sort of maybe hit a little sort of fountain of some sort, trickling water, and the different shapes of the leaves. A nice place to contemplate on things. That's the idea. So the actual beds, so I'm a no-dig gardener as much as is possible. So what I've done is I've laid cardboard down, and you can probably see on the side there, well, I haven't finished that bed yet, there's cardboard down, and that's going to kill the weeds, and then earth on top of that, and then the cardboard will rot down and it'll all come together and make a nice plant bed. As you can see on the side there, the back of the greenhouse, very scruffy. So I'm about to put cedar shingles across there, just like the sort of cedar shingles that are on the covered seat there, and will be on the new covered seat. So that sort of all match in. At the moment they're in sort of a very browny, orangey sort of colour, but they will naturally turn grey as they age over the next couple of years. So that will hopefully be nice. But then I'm going to have bamboo across there as well, and that will hide a lot of that sort of area. And the light, the south is over that way, so obviously I'm not too worried about the light on that side, you know, the green, the bamboo covering the windows there. So that is that. So what I'm going to be doing over the last few mornings, I've been just finishing off carting the earth up. I've got the earth is all the way down, it's about 50 yards that way on the other side of the property, so I have to have a good wheelbarrow session every time I come up here, but that's okay. One of the good things about gardening, isn't it, is it helping you with fitness and health, etc. So I've been clearing the back bit up there, ready to get the seat in. But what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to start with the shingles and hopefully get quite a few of the cedar shingles in there. So if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get on with that, and we'll see what it looks like at the end.
All I wanna
So there we go. I'm finishing for the evening. Obviously I haven't finished this, but it's about 7:30 at night now. Beautiful night, but I'm a bit on the old peckish side, so I thought I'd stop. Plus, because of my I'm no expert at this, obviously. You could see that by it's a bit higgledy-piggledy here and there, but it's good enough. But I need to cut these now, the next batch, so that I have it sort of in the same height for each one of these. So I need to cut a load of them, so I'm not going to do that tonight. I'm no expert, as I just said, but it's pretty easy doing this. You know, you just line it up, and then the next layer you make sure it goes over the seam, so that you've always got, so that it makes it watertight all the way through. You just bang a nail in, and then that next layer keeps the bottom layer done. So, you know, it's pretty easy really, and I think it's starting to look good actually, even though I'm no expert. Anyway, time for dinner for tonight. Job's a good one.